So, guess what I got in the mail today, guys? I bet you're wondering what's in this box. Well, I can tell you, one of my cars is gonna join the Brushless 16 scale family soon. And I got this kit direct from that guy's maker, from UDIRC. We're gonna bust this thing open right quick so you can see what comes in the upgrade kit for this 1611. I mean, I hope it's not destroyed, because man, this box looks pretty doggone bad, huh? What do y'all think? I guess it must have been opened up at customs or something, because boy, they did a terrible job taping this thing. Alright, here we go, guys. My 1611 is gonna grow up and become a man, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes in this upgrade kit. It comes with top tier brushless version upgrade for the 1611 model. Y'all guys see it. We got, let's see what all's in the box. I know you've already probably seen it on Amazon, but you know what? Here we go. That's that upgraded ESC. I guess y'all really want me to open up everything. Let's see. I'm about to tape. All right. That's the upgraded ESC. Got the little fan on there. I think this is a 60 amp. I hope it is. Yep. 60 amp ESC XT60 connector. Set that to the side. What is this? A light kit? Yeah, that's a light adapter. I'm not gonna open that. Make sure ain't nothing in this box, because it sure is something. It looked like it was supposed to be something. Hopefully it didn't fall out. It's the light. Hey, it comes with a 3S battery. That's a tear. It must have been in that little wrapper there, because man, that was bad news if it came out like that. So UDI, you gotta work on your packaging, man, especially if it's coming all the way from China. Here's that new motor. Look at that pretty thing there. It's got the motor mount already connected. It's let's see, does it say on there? It's 28, 45, 4700 kV. There you go. You guys see it, right? I guess y'all like, man, hurry it up. Let's see what else is in there. That's a charging cable. Alright, what's this? Maybe I should have used one of my other knives that don't have gunk all over it. Alright, what is this? This metal shocks. Now this is quite a little kit so far, huh? Metal shocks. So, controller. This looks like the spur gear. Yep, that's exactly what that is. Can you guys see it? Can you pop that open too? Yep, spur gear. Yep. Okay. Spur. That's the controller, and the receiver's in there with it. Set that to the side. What else we got in there? Is that a new servo? Steering servo? I didn't think that was coming too, but hey, looks like they're upgrading everything. Yep, it sure is. Brand new steering servo. Sit there right there. What is this? These are two differentials. Upgraded diffs. Nice. Looks like we got tires. And oh, the tires are all connected to the. Y'all see that? Can y'all see how that is? Everything's connected already. Just all you got to do is unscrew it and put it back in. You see that? Let me open these up just so y'all can see. Comes with a set of tires, and everything's connected with the steel CVDs. And these tires got foam in it. These ones don't. So we're not going to hear that awesome roar. But I tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to just upgrade the motor first before I swap all the other parts out. And see how the plastics can handle everything that's in there. But that was a quick unboxing of the upgrade kit. That was the premium one that's supposed to get it up to that the speed of the, what is it, 1610S. So look for the upgrade video to come. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it on camera or not, but drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Should I do the upgrade on camera? Anyways, appreciate you guys tuning in. So this guy is gonna be faster than my 1610 Pro, and this guy's already fast enough. So let's join in my 16 scale brushless connection. All right, guys, take care.